Hi, Bruno here. Welcome to Spainguru.
Will my higher salary result in increased taxes for the declaración de la renta? And are there any additional payments apart from the declared amount?
Now let's see the specific question of this Spainguru community member.
I am very shocked today when I tried to process my renta y RPF for the first time. It says I owe more than 1,000 euros when my salary last year was just below 22,000. I started working full-time last year after my internship. My salary now is about 30k. Does this mean I will be paying more next year? Do we actually have to pay something every year for the declaración de la renta apart from the declared amount?
Now let's see the answers of Spainguru community members.
First answer, you probably didn't have enough withholdings. Some people get money back if they had withholdings all year. Next answer, as a general norm, you do not have to do the declaración de la renta y RPF if your income is under 22,000 from a single payer or 15,000 from more than one payer. Next answer, the fiscal year goes from January 1st to December 31st. If you made more than 15,000 from more than one source, you do have to do the declaración de la renta y RPF in 2023. Next answer, in the year you change one contract to another with a different company and higher pay, the withholdings are usually incorrect, and finally an amount has to be paid. An opposite case is, for example, if you had a good job at the beginning of the year but then lost it and had lower or no income, then some amount will be returned to you. Next answer, do you work for a company? Then you got a salary slip every month. You can find there how much tax was deducted from your salary. I guess you got this amount, 1,000 euros, from the last year, so just check last year's salary slip. From this year, because your salary gets high, so you pay more immediately. Income tax of salary is usually deducted from your salary. You can also see this in your salary slip. And final answer, it's likely because you paid less after the switch. I had the same issue. I normally actually get money back, but this year I also had a bill. I switched firms and the newer firm actually paid less taxes despite me earning more, and I didn't notice. I only noticed the beginning of the year when they started paying correctly, but I still wasn't expecting the bill since I thought the higher tax was due to now doing a full year calculation. It could be an error, but I doubt it. See if you can get some deductibles to reduce the amount. You can also choose to pay the balance in installments. I think it's 2 installments if not paying one go.
And if you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. In conclusion, according to Spainguru's Facebook group members,
it seems that the reason for your unexpectedly high tax bill is likely due to insufficient withholdings when the member switched jobs and started earning a higher salary. This led to a lower amount of tax being deducted throughout the year, resulting in additional taxes owed when filing the declaración or declaración de la renta. It's important to note that the amount owed for the declaration is separate from the monthly tax deductions. If your salary continues to increase, you may have a higher tax liability in the future. Reviewing your withholdings and consulting with a tax professional can help ensure your taxes align with your income to avoid surprises.
if you need expert tax advice, you can find it on spainguru.es. We can recommend you experienced tax advisors for filings in the US and in Spain.
Join Spainguru's community today. You can join our general Spanish immigration group and our dedicated groups for Spanish non-lucrative visa and Spanish digital nomad visa. Our groups together have more than 30,000 members. If you need expert professional advice, we got you covered. Just head to spainguru.es and check out our top menu. You'll find immigration experts, relocation agencies, tax advisors for Spanish and US filings, sworn translators, apostille services, consulate appointment services, and health insurance providers for all types of Spanish visa applications. That includes non-lucrative visa, golden visas, student visas, and digital nomad visas, as well as medical certificates for visa applications and travel health insurance. Finally, I highly recommend you join our weekly newsletter, which we send out every single Monday morning. You'll get tons of information, questions and answers, feature blog posts, and news updates. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.